Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or you see my face for the first time, I am Nitika and I post videos on makeup, beauty, lifestyle vlogs and hauls on every Monday and Thursday. So today I am going to share a Halloween makeup tutorial. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, I am done with my base by just applying concealer by Makeup Revolution's concealer and color palette. And also have done my eyebrows by using Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. So in this video, I'll create Wonder Woman Halloween look. For this, I already draw a kind of crown on forehead by using white kajal from local store. Now I am applying shimmery gold eyeshadow on the forehead by Sephora Anthology palette to give it metallic look. After that I have done the outlining of the crown, which you will see in the video in a while. Now I am doing the outlining of crown by Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner. To highlight the crown and give it a natural finish, I am going to apply white kajal stroke in some areas, as you can see in the video. Now I am done with the forehead crown. Let's jump into the eyes. I am using brown shade as my transition color by Sephora Anthology palette. After the transition shade, I am going to apply glittery brown shade all over my lid again by the Sephora Anthology palette. To give my eyes a bold look, I am going to apply Kiko Milano's gel eyeliner on the upper lash line as well as on the crease, as you will see on the clip. For eyelashes, I am using Pac Tampering Eyelashes in the number 1, 2, 3. And for mascara, I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And voila, eyes are done perfectly. For lipstick, I am using red and dark nude shade from Smashbox. I don't have maroon lipstick, therefore I am going to mix both lipsticks to achieve that bold look. Now I am adding structure to my nose, chin and cheeks by using Maybelline eyeliner. Again, also I will cover my neck area by eyeliner. Now I am doing outline of my lips by using Maybelline eyeliner again. To highlight my lips, I am adding white Kajal strokes. To highlight this structure, by this I mean my nose, chin and cheeks, I am applying white Kajal strokes on the same. Voila! I have beautifully created or achieved Wonder Woman look. So this is it for today's video. Do let me know in the comment section if you liked the video. Also, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified on every Monday and Thursday. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.